Alrighty, so welcome to inversions. Today we will be learning about how to find first and second inversions. So first off, what you need to do is figure out what key you're in. For this, for the sake of learning, we will all be in the same key for every single inversion. We will not change keys. So on our first chord, we need to figure out what key we're in. So we have F, A, and C. That in and of itself makes an F major chord, and because F is in the bottom, it is in root position. Now let's look into that a little deeper. So we have F in the bottom in our lowest most note, and that's how we know it is in root position. Now the spacing between A and F is a major third. If you count the intervals, F to G is one, and then G to A is another. So that is a major third. There are three notes there in between. And then you have F to C, which is a major fifth. So you have F, G, A, B, and C. And that has five notes in between. You also have to make sure that you count your starting note. So for this reason, we call root chords 5/3 chords. Now looking over here, I know this looks a little strange, so we have spacing, right? So let's just look at this chord. So we already know that it's an F, alright? Well, let's look at the spacing from A to C. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it's a major third. Alright, so now let's look at the spacing from A to F. Now because F is on the top line and not the first space, the spacing is going to be different. So you have F to G to A, B, C, D, E, and F. So then you have a major sixth chord. This is what we call our 6/3 chord, or our first inversion. Alrighty, so when you see this in a lead sheet, our root position will look just like it does over here, and it'll look like F. And then when we see this on a lead sheet and they're asking for the first inversion, we will see F/A. Alrighty, finally, last but not least, we'll go over here to our last chord, and we have a C, F, and A. So we already know it's an F. Now, the spacing between our F and our C, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, is a perfect fourth. And the spacing from our C to our A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, is a major sixth. So we would call this our 6/4 chord. And this would be our second inversion. And because C is our bottommost note, this will be written as F/C. And that's the basics on how to read inversions. Thank you.